Ito na kami. Ito na yung bus ng... Ayun si Mama Eileen. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am. Mami, isa pa kaming kasama.
Sabihin niyo agad yung kasama niyong nasa MTR. Happy New Year! Sige, teka.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Sir Marty! Pangyaw. Happy New Year! Ito ah. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Andiyan na siya! Bravo! Kami sa bus. Waiting sa mga kasama. Ayan na. Pero maganda yung driver. Dito na kami sa Cadbury Farms. Baka mag-ano na po may buko. So nandito na kami sa Cadbury Farm. So ito yung mga kauluntong group. Mga kauluntong group. Red Fire Ranger. The same. Pasok na. So pagbibili kayo ng ticket dito. At dahil free entrance kami, dahil anniversary ng Pangyaw, yan, dire-diretso lang kami sa loob. Kaya thank you sa founder ng Pangyaw na si Ma'am Eileen at si Sir Martin. Thank you, ma'am. Central Group.
Sige na, sige na kayo.
Yung mga ganito.
Wow, ano to? Parang ang show. Oh, yan. Kung nakalaban siya, salat na yan.
Ang dito mo dito. Doon tayo galing eh.
Saan ba? Sunshine. Ay, kasi ano?
Sundan natin si Sir.
Ay, meron silang puno.
Ang ganda ng daan doon.
Kayo kasi nakikita namin yung mga except naka-hat na puti, yung tao sa likod mo hindi namin siya makita.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cheers, smile, and yeah, and high five. And when you want, just be crazy. Okay. One more.
It's vegan food. So it's organic and vegan. Meeting people who are not only just Filipino or Filipino community, but also other like Indonesians. So Pangyaw Group is for me it's really inspiring for us who are domestic helpers here in Hong Kong, which is yung kumbaga yung kahit na hindi kaya tayo oh my god ano kasi yung kumbaga kahit na hindi tayo relatives dito tayo nagkakilala sharing one happiness unity sa community na to. So to all the founders and staff and members of the Pangyaw, thank you. God bless. Thank you so much. Okay. Ala, binibining Pilipinas yung sagot din.
Si Raquel po, si Raquel. Si Raquel po na kayo po. Ito, tawagin nyo. Ito po, tawagin nyo. Hindi ka sa inyo, tulalakan na ako doon. Mag-video ka na. Kunyari, video ko lang. Sagot mo, assistant ako.
Tapos tatanungin niya. Hi girls, what do you want to say about Pangyaw?
Meron kami. Thank you very much for having us here. First time kong napunta dito sa Cadbury Farm. Thank you very much and happy anniversary. God bless. Okay, thank you po.
Quite recently joined the group, although been in Hong Kong for quite a while. So I think, yeah, they found it to be a place where they can make new friends, meet new people. So, yeah.
As much English as we can for you guys. But can I just ask, and for you, you're an honorary Filipino now. So how long have you been a member of Pangyaw? Sorry, or you weren't? This is your first time to join us. Okay, thank you for coming along. Thank you so much. Okay, ilang taon ka na ng member ng Pangyaw?
Pero may sasayaw. Ano lang? 3 months? Tandaan. Have you posted before in Pangyaw? No, but you just look at the question.
Actually, Pangyo is, I just heard it from a certain community, the health. And I just know that we can be ourselves, and also it is, we can contribute also our stories here and open for everyone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
True.
Okay. Ito yung aming...
Tia, what's what? Is you the first person? First of all,
Okay. Actually, I don't remember kung kailan ako nag-start, nag-join. But how many times kasi I posted this and it helps me motivate. Hindi kasi is my second employer. So, last, nagwa 1 year na ako. Last year, I posted this Pangyaw because I really want to give up. See? Then I posted and since I want to, gusto ko ilabas yung mga hinanakit pa. If I did like, yes, Tagalog, I posted it Tagalog, and then I want to express my feelings if there's another, my members is same as my situation, and then, so, there's a comment there saying that, why not just give another month, or maybe I just, it's a new for me and I need to adjust like this. And then, so okay, let's say, then there's a lot also, members also commented that, try to motivate me that, oh maybe, or like this, you can do it like this. So, yes, this lang. So sa isip ko, sabi ko, this group helps me motivate para mag-continue ulit hanggang sa this year magtatapos na yung kontrata ko. Yes. Sabi ko, tapos halos everyday nagbabasa ako ng mga comments, ng mga posts, and then everyday marami akong natutunan. Everyday marami din
Namomotivate ka.
Yes, namomotivate ako talaga everyday na may mas malala pa pala sa aking sitwasyon.
Yes.
So, maraming salamat sa sino man dito yung nagpo-post, na palaging nagpa-motivate, na kaya mo, na may iba rin na mas mahirap pala yung sitwasyon nila kaysa sa iyo, so you're still blessed pa rin. So,
Yes.
so thankful to this group and thank you for inviting us. So that's why also I joined, so that malaman kung sino yung admin, sino yung founder dito. Dahil gusto ko personally, I want to say thank you. Thank you lang sa inyo.
thank you.
Panalo lagi mo
Caritas. Last Sunday Vibes, last year. That's why we are connected with the group. And then,
bakit ako sumali ng Pangyaw? Hindi ako mag-i-English masyado kasi inom ko kanina pa. No, first of all, nung una,
Sabi mo din English.
nung una, at first, I just want to show, okay, I'm gonna speak English now.
Yeah.
At first, I just want to sing. I'm the one who is always singing and recording the songs, and then I will post it. First of all, that is the one that I want to do. But then, ano pa? But then, nakukulitan na sa ako kay Nay eh. She wanted me to be one of the admins. Hindi. Kasi gusto ko din makatulong. I just want to help also to moderate the posts of the members. Yeah, para ma-check natin kung tama ba or against the rules ba yung ating mga posts sa group natin. So, I'm decline. Yes. I admit it. I'm declining most. Yes.
Ano yung mga nag-post lagi? Sino yung mga nag-post lagi?
That's why I'm
Ano na
declining
yun?
it. Pero, but when it's, I want it to be clear. If it's something asking for help or anything, I will decline it with feedback. Nasasabihin ko, I will say, if it's, are you asking for help or you just want to know where is this person? Yeah, something like that. So, I'm gonna talk to the poster first. Para ma-clear tayo. And then, can you please edit your post? Don't write the Cocomelon, something like that. Because before, there's Cocomelon issues. So, don't write this word.
hello, ready na kayo?
Siya yung...
Mag-host pala ako dito.
Yes. Ready yan. Yeah, siya yung late kanina.
Row. Tapusin mo!
Tapusin mo yan! From the start!
Sa bus namin
beach mat inside, merong coaster. Okay, so
Ay, gusto ko yung coaster.
Ryan, can you help us draw? You have time? Just draw one winner for us, please. Yung ating model sinasabi na yan. Ay, kinuha mo na. Okay, and the winner is
Mary and Chris.
Yes, the name is
Grace Gibaro. Gibaro.
Hey, yun nga.
Congratulations, Grace.
Kailangan si Rose yun.
Okay, interview.
Alas mo, Terry. The singer!
Sa inyo ang magaling na singer.
The singer! The singer! The singer! Sasayaw ka, sasayaw. Rose, halika rin sumayaw ka.
Small sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. A day to know. Someday they meet again and never need for more than reminiscence. Maybe this time you will know and you'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end.
So, meron pa tayong 5 na bubulugin. Can I call Adonia? Please draw one. Okay. Seka, sino ang nanalo? Si Girlie.
Girlie! Ah! Dala!
Hawak mo ba yung pangalan?
Maya Laika.
Hindi na yun ang apelyido mo.
Kaya maling na to!
Sino ka? Sino ka?
Ang nanalo ay si...
Ang nanalo ay si...
Malen Mugi.
Mga Vida Austin.
Okay, yung mga nanalo, ipon-ipon natin yung mga voucher. Bili tayo ng alak.